Hello friends, in this video I am going to give you the important questions in CBSE Class 10 Mathematics NCERT textbook. So I will give stars according to the importance of that questions. Means how many times that question is asked in previous year question paper. According to I had given stars from 1 to 5. So let us start exercise. We start with chapter number 1, exercise number 1.1. So look here, they can ask you any questions related to Euclid's division algorithm for 1 mark, so it is important. I am giving 2 stars, you have to prepare it. 3 stars for this, they are going to ask you a word problem related to HCF and LCM. Sometimes you have to find HCF in this type of word problems, and sometimes you have to find LCM. Now 4 star for this type of sums means any positive integer you have to represent in the form given from what they had given to you. So they are asking this type of question. So 4 star for this. I will give 3 star for this question also. You have to prepare these questions. Now in exercise 1.2 means you have to prepare everything, but I am giving you the important question. Means this they can ask you for 1 or 2 mark, and only 4 questions are there in 1 or 2 marks. So what they will ask you, any single question out of that. Now again this 4 star for this question number 5, they are asking this in many question paper. I had seen these 2 questions. So 4 star for question number 5 and 4 star for question number 6. Now in exercise 1.3, short question. Out of this they are going to ask you one question. So please prepare all the questions of exercise 1. They are only going to change the number. Short question. So please prepare it properly. Exercise 1.4, terminating. We have to find terminating or non-terminating. Only 2 star. They can ask you for 1 mark, but that only 4 questions are there. So what they are going to ask, that we cannot predict. Now chapter number 2, polynomial. In that polynomial, they will ask zeros, finding the zeros and verification. Many times they are asking this, means you have to find the zeros and verify it. 3 star I am giving to this, and 3 star for this also. Means if they will give you sum and product, you have to form a quadratic polynomial. Sometimes they will give you sum and one of the zeros. At that time also you have to form a quadratic polynomial. Sometimes they will give you product and one of the zeros. At that time also you have to form a quadratic polynomial. Sometimes they will give you directly both the zeros. At that time also you have to form a quadratic polynomial. So 3 star for different questions of this. Now for question, this type of question, many a times they are asking, this is example number 9. Means they are not going to ask this same question, but they can change the number, but the pattern will be same. Look here, this is example 9, and the same type of question is in exercise 2.3, question number 6. Both questions are same, and they can just change the numbers. Now 3 star for this question. They are asking many a times. I will give 3 star for this question also. Optional, many a time they are asking from optional exercise also. Please prepare that. 4 star for this question. Now chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in 2 variables. So this chapter is also little bit important, because there in this chapter word problems are there, and they are asking many a word problem. Look here, all the sums related to ages, means father's age or to friend's age or father and daughter or mother and child, and all the questions are important. They can ask this type of question from anywhere. So 3 star for all that type of question, because they are asking every time. Now 3 star for this, they are many a time asking that check whether the equations are consistent, inconsistent or dependent. So please prepare it. 3 star for this question. And 4 star for this question, they are asking many a times. They will give you one equation and you have to form 3 different equations, making intersecting line, coincident line and parallel lines. So you have to form 3 different equations. 4 star for this question, 3 star for this question also. Question number 7. Now for exercise 3.3, this question they are asking find the value of m when two of the equations are given to you. So 4 star for this question. And in word problem they can ask you anything, but you have to keep in mind you have to do all the sums related to ages, you have to do all the sums related to this fractions. So 3 to 4 star for this, 3 star for these two word problems in exercise 3.3. Now exercise 3.4 they are not going to ask you any simple questions of elimination or substitution. So please don't waste your time for that, you have to solve this all. Look here, exercise 3.4 question number 2, 3 star for age question and 4 star. This is one of the most important question. They are asking this type of questions. Many a time I had seen this type of question. 4 star for this. Now in 3.5 exercise. In 3 point short question again 5 star. 5 star for this exercise 3.5 question number 2. You will get many sums in other books also of this type. So please prepare it. Short question. Now this place A and B are 100 km apart on highway. This is also one of the most important question. I will give 5 star for this. You have to prepare it. Now this boat upstream downstream. From this example and from this exercise 3.6, these three questions they are going to ask you any one question. So please prepare it properly. This three and this many a times you will get I had seen question related to downstream and upstream and both of the speed and stream. So please prepare it very well. Now in chapter number 4, quadratic equation. In quadratic equation they can ask you splitting the middle term for 1 or 2 marks, but you have to prepare the train related sum, the speed and distance. This is one of the most important question. I had given 4 star for this. You have to prepare it very well because they are asking. And then in exercise 4.2 this type of root type numbers will be there. In that you have to do splitting and find out the zeros. They can ask this type of question for 2 marks. And then this a cottage industry produce question number 6. This is also you can say short. I will give 4 star, but here I had given 5. It's okay. You have to solve this. Now in exercise 4.3, actually in 4.3 this 4.3 whole exercise is so important that you have to prepare everything. Look here I will give 3 star for this. Here you have to find out the roots by completing the square method. Means you have to find the zeros by completing the square method. And this is they are asking 60 to 70% time they are asking, means they will specify the method completing the square. So you have to prepare it. And you can say a sure question from all these 6 questions, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can see 2 train. Again these two are of train sum that I have told you. 2 tap sum is also there. They had asked this all question in board examination, and you can say this all are so important, so you have to prepare this all. Now again they will ask you this discriminant. So please prepare. They will ask you that whether find the discriminant or find the zero or check whether you will get zeros or not. So you have to prepare this. And again in exercise 4.4 short question, I will give 5 star for this. They are asking find the value of k when 2 equal roots are given to you. So in this video I had done analysis up to or important questions up to chapter number 4. In my next video I will do from 5th chapter to chapter number 10. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I am going to bring the next video in few days. Thank you so much.